Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, when it comes to home security, we should never compromise, and that is why for my outdoor security I have purchased this dual lens linkage camera, and it's a 4 megapixel camera. So I'm gonna unbox it and we are also gonna look at its configuration. So stay with me. I removed the first layer, now I remove the second. Okay. Wow, nicely packed, no doubt. And this is the real camera. Wow, isn't it nice? Well, to me it does look. So these are the items I have got. This is probably connection like screws and all, and this is security camera. Wow, this is really nice, really very nice, huge. Wow. And see, this moves. Okay, this moves, and this also comes up and down, so you can adjust really well. Wow, that's really good. And it has got lights also that you can flash. Okay, so this is really good. So under this connection box, these are the things I have got: holding panel, screws, electric wiring. So these are the things I'm gonna attach, and also I've got a guidebook. Good thing I like about this camera is, unlike other cameras, your reset button is clearly visible here. So you can definitely long press it here and do it, but once you power on, of course. So now I'm gonna do the other task. Like, the very first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install the CareCam app, and also I'm gonna plug in this to the power source so that I can configure it before I put it outside. Now for the configuration part, what I have done, I have plugged this connection, and now I'm gonna plug this other one to a power source supply so that the camera gets powered on, and then I'm gonna install CareCam app as per the instruction book, CareCam Pro. Okay, and then I have to register for an account and sign in, and then I'm gonna add the device. So that also I will show you. So guys, this is the CareCam app that I have installed. So I'm gonna sign in, okay, and then we are gonna see you there. So I added, okay, I signed in, I used Google. Add your first camera. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna power on my device, and then I'm gonna I'm gonna add device, and then I'm gonna add the camera. So I have the option scan, add device, create group. So of course I'm gonna click add device. Okay. So because I'm gonna do it manually, I'm gonna click on 4G camera. So pair by code or scan QR code. So I'm gonna scan the QR code. So now when I try to it is telling me to press the reset button for 3 to 5 seconds to reset until a beep sound. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll see it from. After that, we have to confirm this and click on next step. I just select only this time. Okay, now it's asking me to scan the code. So let me see if I can do. Okay, it scanned perhaps. Okay, it has connected. Okay, so in the next step, it connected with Wi-Fi permissions, and now it's asking me to put a device. I'll just put garage door. Okay, next. Okay, it is not saved. I can use it. So now I'm going to install it outside, and then in some other video I'll let you know about the permissions and its performance. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.